So, nandito na tayo sa hotel natin sa Baguio City Center, which is yung Olive Town Center and Hotel. So, nabuka ito sa Agoda for only 2,500 inclusive of breakfast buffet. So, itong room natin ay standard room, good for 2 packs. Pero malaki yung room, guys. Parang pwede kahit up to 4 packs. Ayan! So, meron na agad tayo ditong cabinet na may hanger and mga compartments. So, pwede nyo ilagay dyan yung inyong mga slippers and mga damit. And then, may pa-hotel slippers sila. And then, ayan, may kabila pang cabinet. And same lang. And then, ito yung room natin, guys. So, meron tayo dyang dalawang vanity mirror. Then, yan. And then, dalawang bed. So, ang laki niya, guys. Kasya siguro tig 2 persons dito. So, maximum of 4. And then, may smart TV. So, please subscribe, guys. Franzelli. Ayan, meron tayong telephone and then wifi. And then, yung aircon natin, which is sobrang malakas at malamig. So, ayan, guys. So, yung room natin. Ito may window, pero walang view. Ano lang, parang pader lang siya ng kabilang building sa likod. So, ayan. Tapos, ito yung ating bathroom. Yan, guys. So, may mirror. And then, lavatory. May mga dental kit and hand soap. And then, toilet and shower. That's it for our room tour. This is Olive Town Center and Hotel sa Baguio City Center. Like, approve.